Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the Karnaugh map. So, how do you draw a Karnaugh map? Here, if you are having that variable, three variable or two variable AB, right? AB. Here, we are having that for that AB, we are having the possibility is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the possible input, right? Now, you are having that output is here. This is for that input, we are having 0. For the input, we are having 0. For the input, we are having 0. Then for 1, 1, if you are having that output is 1. Now, this is the truth table. For the truth table, now you want to draw a logic circuit. Then how do you draw the logic circuit? Is here we are having that A, B. So two variables are there. A in row and B in column. A in row and B in column. A in row and B in column. Now you draw the table. For A, we are having two possibility. For B also, we are having two possibility. That is 0, 1. For B also, we are having 0, 1. So for 0, 0, the output is 0. For 0, 1, the output is 0. For 1, 0, the output is 0. For 1, 1, the output is right. Now here we are having single one only. So for that single one, we are having now that A and B. So the function is AB. Function equal to AB. AB is nothing but, so we are having now the uncaged circuit. Uncaged circuit. So for the single input, right? Here if you are having now 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? Now here we are having 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, right? Now how do you draw the table is here A, here B, then you draw the table. Zero, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, right? Then here we are having now see for 0, 0, 1, then all other cases are 1, right? Now what actually we are going to do now, we can have now the two pairs. One is one pair, and here this one is another pair. So for this pair we are having B, for this pair we are having A. So now here the result is one term is A plus and another term is B. So the function is F equal to A plus B. So A plus B is nothing but OR gate. A plus B is nothing but OR gate. So now you are designing, right? So this is the basic idea about the how that draw the Karnaugh map and how do you fill that output, and then you have to form the terms. You find out the sum of product terms, sum of min terms, sum of min terms. Then here sum of min terms is AB. Here sum of min term is A and plus B, right? So for that we are having only one term. Here we are having two pair. So for that pair we are having B. For this pair we are having now A. So A and B, A plus B, you are having that OR gate. So this is for single input. Two variable. Now if you are having three variables, then how do you design that one? So three variable ABC. A, B, C. AB in row and C in column. AB, so AB is, we are having now four possible combinations. C is only two possible combinations. So we are having 8 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 8 cells. Now here you have to fill that value in the Cray code. Cray code is, what is Cray code? So 0, 0, 0, 1, Then we are having next one is 1 1, and then we are having 1 0. So why it is actually we are having now the successive data should change only one bit. One bit is here. See, here we are having that B is changing now. Here in between this one, A is changing now. In between this one, we are having P is changing now. So this is the gray code 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Similarly for C is here we are having only one input 0 and 1. Now, here we are having that in that order. If you are having this one as ABC, so possible input is here 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, then 1 0 0, then 1 0 1 1 1 0, and 1 1 1. So we are having that 8 0 to 7 possibility, right? Now that 0 to 7, how do you fill that one? Here, now if you are having you in that corner, you fill that one, right? So this is equivalent to 0, this is equivalent to 1, this is equivalent to 2, this is equivalent to 3. Then here we are having this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Right? This is the cells. Right. Now in that cells here the corresponding input, suppose you consider now the output is the function is here 0 0 0 0, then these are all 1. Right. Then here how do you write that one as this is 0, this is 0, then this is 0, this is 0. Now here from 4 onwards 1, right? 4 1, 5 1, 6 1, and 7 1. Right? Now you want to realize the function with Boolean algebra, then here we have to consider the maximum possible of 2's, 4's, 8's combinations, right? So here we are having now 4 ones are combined together. So 4 ones are in the adjacent cells. 4 ones are in the adjacent cells, so we can combine together. Then here we are having only one term is realized. So that one as what's the term now? Here in these two, we are having the commonality is A. Right? Here we are having now in that cell C is here. Right? So that is here we are having now function is F equal to A. F equal to A. Right? So that one as here, whenever that A is 0, output is 0. Whenever A is 1, output is 1. So the output is only depends on the variable A. So F equal to A. This is the function. Right? So F equal to A. So if you are having now 4 combinations, then we are realized by a single literal of the term. So that is we are having sum of min terms. Sum of min term is here, right? So okay, so this one is here as a 3 variable. Now if you are having 4 variables, if you are having 4 variables, so A, B, C, D, right? Then how do you draw the Karnaugh map is AB in row, CD in column. AB in row, CD in column. CD in column, AB in row. Now we are having that all possible combination is here we are having now here 4 possible combination, here also 4. So 4 into 4, 16 possible combinations. So that is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 in the gray code sequence. Similarly here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Then you draw the row horizontal line and vertical line, then we are having 16 cells. square. 16 squares are there. Now, here if you are having a function with, we are having now the sum of min-term formulas. Here they will give now that one as sum equal to 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, 15. Right? Now here you have to consider now the sequence of that number is that 4 zeros combination. So the possible combinations are 0, 0 to 4, 0, 0 to 4 ones. So 0 to 15. Now this is sum of min term. Sum of min terms. This is the number. Then for that number we are having the corresponding number is output is 1. Okay. Now we have to fill the Karnaugh map. In the Karnaugh map, that sequence of number is this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Similarly, here this is 4, 5, then you leave one column, this is 6, then this is 7, then here in that way you leave one row, then this is next numbers 8, this is 9, leave one number, this is 10. Then you have to continue now in that previous row. This is 11, this is 12, this is 13, sorry, 8, 9, 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, this one is 15. Now you have to fill the corresponding values one, right? So the value 1 is here, 1 is 1, 1 is 1, then 3 is 1, and then 5 is 1, then 7 is 1, and then 11 is 1, and 12 is 1, 11 is, sorry, 11 is 1, 12 is 1, and 15 is 1. So these are all 1, then all others are 0. All others are 0, right? So this is 0. So unfilled portions are, here we are having zeros. Right. So we are filling the Karnaugh map with the corresponding sum of min terms. Sum of min terms are the corresponding number you have to fill with 1. Then other than that one is going to have as 0. Now what actually we are going to do now using the Karnaugh map is, here we are having this Karnaugh map. Now from the Karnaugh map, now what we have to do is we have to combine. Here this is totally 16 cells are there, right? So we find out 16 cells are there. So we can have 16 one combination, or 8 combinations, or 4 combinations, or 2 combinations. Then otherwise we are only one, single one. Combination of ones. So adjacent cells. Here in that Karnaugh map, the adjacent cell is here. This is in the consecutive. This is adjacent. This is adjacent. Adjacent means then there is only one bit change. Now in that outer cells, outer row cells, and here, right? So first one and last one is adjacent. If you are having wrap around, so the first one and last one is adjacent. Similarly, that 4 corners are adjacent. Then the outs, we are having this first column and the fourth column is adjacent, or first row, fourth row also adjacent. Now, how do you make the combination, the combined, right? So here you consider now the possibility is these 4 ones can be combined. We can make 4 ones. We can combine, right? Then here we are having now these two ones are can combined. Similarly, these two ones are can combine. Then these two are combined. There can be an overlap. These two can combine, and then Here the single one is retained. There is no adjacent. So you have adjacent means horizontal and vertical, right? Then the diagonal is not there, right? So that one is here we are having adjacent. So this four combination, all ones should be covered with either four combination or two combination or otherwise alone, right? Now here we are having one four combination, then another two combination, then another two combination, then the lonely one is there, right? Then for this four combination, you write the min term. What is that min term for this four? In that four cell, then all columns, all rows are covered. Then don't worry about these two variables. Don't worry about these two variables. Then here we are having now CD. So the min term for this particular four combination is CD. Then plus, now here we are having a pair. In that pair, right? Then here in that pair, the A dash is common. In that pair, A dash is common. So you write that A dash, and in what column it is? C dash and D. What column it is? C dash and D. So this is another min term. Plus, now for this pair. So for this pair, here the here we are having A dash P dash. The column is A dash P dash. So the row is A dash P dash. Because of that AB 0, 0. The 0, 0 is A dash P dash. And here the common is C dash. So A dash P dash C dash. And then we are having single one. So for that single one, you write everything, right? So AB and CD dash. AB and CD dash plus AB and C dash T dash. So this is the function for this sum of minta form. The simplified Boolean expression is this one. F equal to CD E dash C dash T and right. So how do you draw the Karnaugh map? Is suppose they are giving the sum of min term. The sum of min term is how they will give now the possible variables, and then they will give the sigma. Sigma is called sum of min term. So min term is we are giving the corresponding number, right? So otherwise, suppose they won't give that variable, and here they are giving the number. So the maximum possible numbers is 16 means then 4 variable. 8 is we are having now that 3 variable. Then 4 is 2 variable and so on, right? So if more than 15, it will go for 5 variables. So for 5 variables, then you have to consider now A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Then how do you feel that row is A, B or A, B, C, and then the column is D, E. A, B, C, D, E, right? So in that A, B, C, what is the sequence of that column row is? First one ABC is 0, 0, then 0, 0, 1, then 0, 1, 1, then 0, 1, 0. Then here you have to fill now that in that reverse order, right? So 1, 0, here 1, then this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then here we are having 0, 1, 1, then we are having 1, 0, 0. So this is a sequence 0, 1, 2, sorry 1, this is 2, this is 3, then here where is 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in that order you have to write that ABCD, ABC, and D is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now the total column is 32 cells. The total is, we are having that here we are having 8 into 4, 32. So 32 cells are there. Then we have to fill now. The possible combinations are 5 zeros to 5 ones. So 0 to 31 the number. So in here we are having 0 to 31 the change of number. The corresponding number we have to fill with 1. So this is a 5 variable method. Here 4 variable method is this one. Okay.